As you can see, they closed down Madison Avenue, aka 14th Street, at the Grady light, and it is all just fucking fresh, pretty much untouched powder all the way down to fucking Preston. So I'm about to hit this. Enjoy. Just put my gloves on first. Don't cold hands. Here we go. I'm on Kyle's ghetto-ass 1994 Burton board. See how this reacts. Powder's really thick. Come on, let's go. Really thick. This board just needs some new wax. Oh, here we go. Now we're going. They closed down the street because there's a car that went off the road into a tree up here. Oh, so much powder. Oh, wow, this is nice. Fresh, untouched powder. There's a car that went off the road. Not going too fast. Nose too dry for that. Some girls just applauded me. See, it's too slow down here. I need new wax on this base. Whatever, you get the idea. It'll be better tomorrow once it heats up in the sun. See ya.